Hi! Did you know that for the body's general health as well as for building and maintaining strong and healthy bones, calcium is crucial? It contributes in the prevention of cancer, heart disease, and osteoporosis. Additionally, it may support strong, healthy teeth. For optimum health, it is crucial to understand the elements that boost calcium absorption. The majority of people frequently consider dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese when thinking of foods high in calcium, and that's true. You, however, might not be aware of other calcium-rich meals that are not dairy-based. While some of these goods are fortified, others include calcium in their natural form. In this video you will learn which products other than dairy products are good for increasing your calcium levels in the body naturally, as well as learn the amount of calcium contained in the daily products that you and your family consume. Let's get started. You can be ensuring that you are getting adequate calcium by following the recommendations below. Aim to consume the recommended daily intakes of calcium, which are as follows. You can pause this video to note down the ages you are interested in finding out about. Some calcium-rich foods that are not dairy products include orange juice, soy milk, cereal, bread, tofu, salmon, soybeans, almonds, olives, pistachios, shrimp, beans, spinach, mustard, bok choy, broccoli, oysters, brown rice and codfish. So how can I get enough calcium if I am lactose intolerant? The inability to digest lactose, the sugar in milk, is known as lactose intolerance. Consuming dairy products results in flatulence, cramps, or diarrhea. Because the body lacks lactase, an enzyme required to digest it, lactose intolerance develops. If you are lactose intolerant, the following tips can help you achieve your calcium requirements. 1. Try consuming lactose-free milk or calcium-fortified soy, almond, or rice milk. 2. You might be able to handle dairy products like yogurt and cheese that have less milk sugar. Try lactose-free yogurt, cottage cheese, or cheese with reduced lactose content. 3. Discuss further lactose-reduced products with your nutritionist. 4. Consume calcium-rich non-dairy foods such broccoli, dried peas and beans, kale, collard greens, salmon in cans with soft bones, sardines, calcium-enriched fruit juice, blackstrap molasses, almonds, and tofu that has been calcium processed. Should I take a calcium supplement? You can always consult your doctor and nutritionist for advice if you are having problems including enough calcium-rich foods in your daily meal plan. The quantity of calcium you consume through diet will determine how much you will need to supplement. You may be able to meet your calcium needs by taking calcium supplements and some antacids. A small amount of calcium is present in many multivitamin pills. Calcium content in protein powders varies. And what if I am vegetarian or vegan? Well, 100 g of tofu provides a significant amount of calcium. It contains an astounding 510 milligrams of calcium, so you can see how simple it is to obtain adequate calcium without using dairy products. Green leafy vegetables are a great source of calcium, including broccoli, dandelion greens, and turnip greens. Additionally, they ought to try sea veggies, which are abundant in calcium and other crucial elements. Similar to meat eaters, vegans can easily incorporate beans and nuts into their regular diet. Other good sources of calcium include sesame seeds, blackstrap molasses, and calcium-fortified orange juice. Did you know that other nutrients can help you absorb calcium better? Manganese. This mineral enables the body's metabolism to effectively utilize the calcium that it consumes. Vitamin B12 is a crucial cofactor for calcium because it plays a role in promoting bone growth. The absorption of calcium depends on vitamin D. There are 3 methods to get it: by exposing the skin to sunshine, eating specific foods, and taking supplements. Vitamin K is involved in the production of osteocalcin, a protein that strengthens the bone matrix and is essential for the development of bone and teeth. As you can see, following these simple tips, you will be able to increase your calcium levels in your body just by taking care of your diet. No matter if you are vegan, vegetarian, or lactose intolerant, dairy products are not the only ones that provide calcium to your body. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and bon appetit!